Hello everyone. So today we are going to see one natural language processing project. So here I am this project is basically about checking the review, like user review, whether it is a positive or negative regarding a particular movie or a TV show. For doing that, we will be performing 7 tasks, and for the first task we will be importing whatever required library and load the data set into a data frame. So let's run this cell. So here you can see I am using a movies review file which have review and label 2 columns, and in review there is a phrases available for a particular movie or TV show written by users, and associated label is assigned in label field. So here you can see 2 labels are available, either positive or negative. So let's go and see any missing value is available in the data frame. So okay, so here you can see in 20 rows the review is assigned as null, so we will be dropping that review so that our model will perform better. Now we can go ahead and check if there is only spaces are available in the review, no, not a valid text, and we will be removing that. For that we will be running a for loop and assign all the blank field in a blank this thing list. So we'll run and check the length if any blank rows is available. So here you can see no blank field is available. Now let's go for task 3. So here we will be checking labels count. So our data set is quite good because we have almost equal 2990 negative and positive reviews. So we can go ahead, and now we'll do our task 4 to split the data into training and testing set. For that we will be using model selection sklearn and train test split. We will be using a test size of 33%, and will execute the cell, and our data is now split into two sets. Now we will be building a pipeline to vectorize the data and then train of it the model. So here you can see we are using TF-IDF vectorizer for feature extraction and linear support vector classifier for classification. We'll run this cell, and now our pipeline is done, our model is built. Now we will be predicting and analyzing the model here. So we'll run this thing. Okay, on the testing data the prediction is done. Now we will be using matrices to print confusion matrix. And okay, so our model done a quite pretty good work, like 900 correct predicted and 920 correct predicted. Let's see the classification report. So here precision, recall and F1 score is quite good. Let's see the accuracy, how well our model performed. So it's around 92-93%. So it's decent as of now. So this is the sample review, user review taken from IMDb, and let's check whether it is performing right or wrong. Okay, so for recent Loki TV show there is one review, and we'll see. So here the review user review is positive. For Family Man TV show, let's see, it is also showing positive. Recent release movie Radhe of Salman Khan, let's see what is the review. So the model is predicting as a negative, and movie was not at all good actually, so it is right. Naruto show, it's positive, quite good anime. And Zero movie of Salman Khan, let's see what is the review, and it is also negative. That makes sense. So this model is performing decent, and we can improve much more. So this is just a demo of a basic movie or review analysis. Thank you so much.